Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious catfish stew. I love making catfish stew with red oil because it gives a different taste entirely. So if you want to see how I made this delicious fisherman stew, make sure you watch this video to the end. If this is your first time seeing this video, please click the subscribe button, share this video, turn on your post notification bell. That way, you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. So for the ingredients, I'll be using this fresh tomato mix you're seeing on your screen. I blended this tomato with pepper, atarodo, shumbo, and a little bit of tatashi. So the next one, I'll be needing this red oil. So guys, if I'm making fisherman stew, I love using red oil for my fisherman. And the next ingredient I'll be using is chopped onion. I already chopped this onion into tiny pieces, but anyhow you like it, you can cut your onion the way you want it. For me, I love chopping it the way you're seeing on your screen. So the next ingredient I'll be using is salt. So I'll be needing this salt for my meal. And the next ingredient is pepper, fresh pepper. I love using a lot of fresh pepper anytime I want to prepare fish. You know, it tastes really good. And the next one I'll be using is this seasoning cube you're seeing on your screen. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. If you're watching this video to this point, it means you find this video helpful. It means you really love this video. Please guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos, you'll be notified. share this video, give this video a thumbs up. My fisherman soup is almost ready, guys, and I'm going to whack this soup with fufu. I made fufu. You can decide to eat it with rice, any swallow of your choice, amala, fufu, eba, any swallow of your choice, guys. It goes well, semo, anything. This fisherman is something else. I love this catfish a lot, and I love using red oil to cook it. It gives it a different taste entirely. Hey guys, I want you to make this yummy fisherman soup and tell me how it went in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.